Day 3, 6:14 in the morning. We're on the beach. There was a bunch of kangaroos outside the tent this morning. They are not exactly shy up here, I think you could say. But the scenes on the beach at Diamond Head are pretty insane. I think we're gonna hang out here potentially for a little bit, watch F1. Not too sure, because Netherlands was last night. I might watch that real quick before we gone on. I don't know if we're doing any driving roads today, to be honest. I think we're like just gonna go chill in Port Macquarie a little bit. Staying in Southwest Rocks tonight, so not too much driving today really. But let's see how we go. The car's filthy, covered in red dust. We're gonna have to wash the car when we get to Brody. Yeah, dirt road in here last night, gravel road. It was a little bit rough, corrugated, but like there was no like massive potholes or anything. It was just gravel, it was just cruising, driving pretty slow. And loving it here. Diamond Head, this place is mad. I'm a big fan. Jess is loving it too. She's over there taking photos. What a spot, would recommend. And the road's okay, but we came in from the north. We were advised come in north. Apparently the road in from south is a bit rough. Well, I thought my AYC pump was making like a really weird noise. And I've had AYC pump problems before on the 7 that I had. So I just want to check the fluid, make sure there's fluid running through it, which is in the boot, which is right there, and there is fluid in there, as you can see, probably. So I'm not going to worry about it, because if there was no fluid, I'd probably just pull the relay, which is in the engine bay. Pull the relay, then it wouldn't operate, then, you know, no problems. Fill it up when we get to where we're going, but yeah, no problems. Alright, we just picked up a coffee. We're at Lighthouse Beach, just south of Port Macquarie, and the F1 is about to begin. Netherlands, with the beach, breakfast, coffee. We chilling, bro. This is mad. Good day. A cheeky prick landed on my car and was trying to eat my roll. Absolutely not, brother. You're only scratching my pain today, brother.
So funny. I was supposed to look at it.
No rain as yet, but we're told it's coming and it's gonna do stop.
It's on your wheel.
Hey! You shit on my car and I'll shit on your head. I gotta get rid of him.
For the first time in the history to the World Championship. That was Ferrari back in 1952. And sadly for them, there's no chance of a Ferrari one season.
Lando's out, what the hell? Lando's out, bro. Oscar's gonna get the dub. This is good. Good for Oscar fan. Oh, that's insane. That's sheer luck for him though. I nearly feel bad, but I'm pumped for Oscar because that's a big championship lead now. Wow.
That's such a shame.
Lost the beach. How good. And there's dolphins out
And
there.
there's dolphins right there.
The grandest of grandstands for Oscar Piastri, who's back after the summer break and back on top. He wins the Dutch Grand Prix. It is victory for Oscar, the championship leader. It's
we are at Town Beach in Port Macquarie. We just had lunch, we're just chilling. Pretty nice day. Still kind of hyped after the F1 to be honest. We're gonna maybe look at a few bookshops in town and then we're gonna head on up to Southwest Rocks. So pretty cruisy day. F1, I got so much editing to do. I'm like 10 videos behind and I know Jess is a couple behind as well, so we're gonna try and get that done.
Chill day.
Chill day.
There's a dolphin.
Really? Check out this thing. What is this? Triumph TR7. That's sick.